Lecture 7: Advantages and Disadvantages of Different Types of Computers. Hello kids! Today we are going to talk about different types of computers and their advantages and disadvantages. Computers are super helpful, but each type has its own strengths and weaknesses. After learning this lecture, students will be able to describe the advantages of different types of computers, discuss the disadvantages of different types of computers. Let's start by talking about the different types of computers. We have desktop computers, laptops, palm tops, tablets, and smartphones. Each of these has something special about them. Desktop computers are big computers that stay in one place. They are used by many people at home or in an office. The good thing is that they are easy to use and less expensive than laptops. But there are some problems too. They can't work without electricity. They are heavy with many parts and you can't carry them easily. Next, we have laptops. These are smaller and lighter than desktops, and you can take them anywhere. They run on batteries, which means you don't need to plug them in all the time. But their battery doesn't last forever. They are more expensive than desktops, and they can be delicate, meaning they can break if you're not careful. Now, let's talk about palm tops. These tiny computers fit in your pocket. They're super convenient and can run on batteries. But they have small screens, less memory, and don't have as many features as bigger computers. Tablets are next. These are fun because they're easy to carry, have a touch screen, and run on a battery. You can use your finger or a special pen called a stylus. However, they don't have keyboards, are very expensive, and can get damaged easily if you're not careful. Finally, there's the smartphone. We all love our phones, right? They're easy to carry, easy to use, and can do so many things. But be careful, because using them for too long can affect your health, disturb your routine, and can have negative effects if you're not careful. That's it for today. Now you know the different types of computers and their good and not so good points. Thanks for listening. Thank you for listening so well today. Happy learning!